Today we are going to talk about database system applications, part of database management system course. A database system application is a computer program that interacts with a database to store, retrieve, and manipulate data. These applications are typically used to manage large amounts of structured data, such as customer information, inventory records, and financial transactions. There are many different types of database system applications, including desktop applications, web-based applications, and mobile applications. These applications can be developed using a variety of programming languages and technologies such as SQL, Java, Python, and C#. Some examples of common database applications include customer relationship management. These are used to manage customer data such as contact information, purchase history, and support requests. Inventory management systems. These are used to track and manage the movements of goods, including orders, shipments, and stock levels. Financial management systems. These are used to track and manage financial transactions, including invoices, payments, and expenses. Human resource management systems. These are used to manage employee data, including payroll, benefits, and performance reviews. Overall, database applications are essential tools for businesses, organizations, and individuals to store, manage, and analyze data in an efficient and organized way. Thank you for watching.